Welcome to TechieTalkee. There are many sequence data types like list, tuple, and range. So in this video, we are going to understand about the list data type in Python. For example, there are 5 students in a class and we would want to assign all the student names in a variable. Then we can use the Python list. Lists are created using the square brackets. Let me show you an example. Name list is the variable which I'm using for creating the list. So this is what I've created. For example, I've given 5 names there, which is name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4, and name 5. And let us try to print this list. So as you can see, all the 5 names get printed. So lists are ordered, meaning it has a defined order, the order in which it is created. The first item in the list has an index 0, and the next items are like 1, 2, 3, and so on. So let us see how we can print the specific value from the list using the index. So I'm giving print name list of 0. So what happens is it will print the first value from that particular list. Similarly, if I want to print the last list item, I'll just say 4 because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Name 1 will be the index of 0. Name 2 we can retrieve using index of 1 and so on. So for name 5 to retrieve it, I'll use index of 4. So name 5 gets printed here. Now, how do we return a range of values? We can simply use colon. Say for example, I give 1 colon 3. So from the list, name list, the search will be from index 1 till index 3. But index 3 will be excluded. In our case, index 1 is name 2, index 2 is name 3, and index 3 is name 4. Let's see how it works here. So name 2 and name 3 gets printed. Suppose I want to print the first 3 values from the list. I just say 0 colon 3. So as we know, giving the values from the list will exclude the last index value. So if we give 0 colon 3, then name 1, name 2 and name 3 will get printed, which is still index 2. But index 3 will get excluded. We can also give it in this way, which is can exclude the 0. It will function in the similar way in Python. Say we want to print the list items from index 1 till end. So what we can do is we can just give 1 colon 5. So it will print the values from index 1, name 2, index 2, name 3, index 3 which is name 4 and index 4 which is name 5. Since I've given 5 here, so it is getting printed till the end. An alternate way to do it is I can just give name list of 1 colon and I need not give anything there. So that will print the values till the end. So Python also supports negative indexes. In case of negative index, the last item in the index will be -1. So name 5 will be -1, name 4 will be -2, name 3 will be -3, name 2 will be -4 and it keeps going on. So how do I print the values using the negative index? I'll just give -4, which is -1 to -4. So from the last, I'm going to consider the last three indexes. So -1, -2 and -3 values will get printed. So next, in this particular list, how do we find the total number of items in the list? So we can use a len function. Let me show it to you with an example. So I'll give len of name list and let me execute it. So it says 5. So there are 5 items in this particular list and hence it displays the length as 5. So hey guys, hope you understood about the Python list and the way to retrieve the values from the list. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me at techietalkee@gmail.com. Happy learning and have a great day.